In front of me is ZTE Blade V50, and today I would like to show you how you can activate and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by accessing your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top. If you can't find it here, select those three dots, click on it over here or hold it and drag it to the top. Then let go. Either way, after accessing Clipboard section, tap on this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Now to use it, you can copy or cut any text and then access Clipboard again. Now to paste it, click on it. To pin your text, use this pen at the top right corner, click on it and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you wish to delete it, tap on the same pen, tap on text that you wish to delete, and use this pin next to the pin icon. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, tap on the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!